Good afternoon, sir. This is Rishabh Badva from Kyowa-Getner, and today we'll be presenting you the gem or the jeweler's microscope. Uh, Ignore the voices which are coming from outside, the children are playing, but yeah, we start from the beginning. First of all, I'll talk about the head. So this is a 655 head, which means that if you can see that the zoom knob is from 0.6 to 5.5, right? And this comes with the detent, which means that as you click on one, it produces a sound. Likewise, right, as you click on two, as you click on three, as you click on four, on every magnification it produces a sound, which means that it is accurate. As you click on 4, which it will mean that it is 4x only, right? Then we talk about the eyepieces. These are uh, SWH 10x eyepieces, which means that these are spectacle wearer wide field high eye point eyepieces, which means that even if you're wearing a spectacles, you can see it from the eyepieces. And since they are high eye point, which means that you can see from the eyepieces from a distance. You do not have to peep into the eyepieces, but even if you're from a distance, you can view the specimen. Then we talk about the trinocular and binocular mode, which means that currently it is in T mode, which means the trinocular mode, and you are able to see it on the monitor. Now, if I switch this knob to binocular mode, I'll be only able to see it from the eyepieces. If I switch it to trinocular mode, I'll be able to see from one of the eyepieces and also from the monitor. And then, okay, this is all about the head. This is about your gem clamp. I have a gem clamp here in which I have attached a diamond ring. This is the dark field illumination, as you can see, right? And now it becomes bright field. Then this is the fluorescent illumination. If you see, there's a lot of difference. I've switched on the fluorescent illumination. Then it is a rotatable base, which means that you can rotate your microscope. You can adjust it. You can adjust your ring as well, upside down, or you can protrude it outside or protrude it back in. Currently it has lost the focus because I have adjusted it. I can adjust the focus, no worries. Alright, so this is basically about the microscope. I'll talk about other components as well. This is a 4K camera. This is your 4K monitor. Then we have 4 different types of lenses. Like this is the 1.5x lens. I don't know if you're able to see it properly, but this is the 1.5x lens. This is the 2x lens. All right. This is your polarizer, which will be inserted here. Right. Your polarizer would be inserted here. You can see the effect. And then this one is the analyzer, which will be inserted here. It will be inserted here, right? Then we have the ring light illuminator, right? So this produces immense amount of light, sir, trust me. This is too much of a light which it can produce and help you with your specimen, right? It will be inserted here. So these are basically about the components of the microscope. Now I'll just help you with how to insert the polarizer. So this is the polarizer. If it can be inserted like this. Now the polarizer has been inserted, sir, right? And this is the analyzer, which will be fitted here. So currently the polarizer as well as the analyzer have been inserted. Now you can see that as we move the analyzer, there is a difference which comes, right? So that's the effect of the analyzer, that as I am moving the analyzer, you can see that there's a difference in what you see in the ring. Now we can also switch on the fluorescent light from here, and it gives a beautiful shine. Okay, sir, another thing which I want to discuss was the 20x eyepieces, right? So these are a pair of 20x eyepieces, and then these are a pair of 30x eyepieces, sir. So they'll help you increase the magnification. Now, sir, I'll also show you the effect of the 2x and the 1.5x lens. Now, I request you to see the ring when no auxiliary lens has been inserted. Now the magnification has been increased as soon as we insert the 2x lens. Now similarly, if we insert the 1.5x lens, the magnification would be slightly less. I'll show you that as well. So sir, this is under 1.5x lens, sir, 1.5x lens. Now sir, at last I'll talk about the ring light illuminator. So this is the 4 mode ring light illuminator. Alright, so let's understand the modes one by one. This is the on and off mode. This is the intensity regulator mode, minus and plus, and these are the 4 modes. Now I'll just switch it on. So here the ring light has been on. Now I can reduce the intensity and I can increase the intensity, right? Now this is consisting of 64 bulbs. That is why it is called 4 mode illuminator. It is divided into 4 parts, which means 16 bulbs into 4 parts. 64 bulbs into 4 parts of 16 bulbs each. Now 64 bulbs are on. Now 48 are on. Now 32 are on. Now 16 are on. Now 0. Nothing is on. Likewise, now 16 bulbs, 32 bulbs, 48 bulbs, 64 bulbs. So this is the ring light illuminator. So sir, this is the magnification. This is the look when all the polarizer and analyzers are removed and even the fluorescent light has been switched on. Only the base light, the bright field illumination is on. Now I just want me to let you know that if I switch on the ring light illuminator, I have inserted the ring light illuminator here, not properly but just for a demo purpose. You can see how much the brightness is increased, which you can later on adjust as per your need. Just look at it. Right, so that's the effect of the ring light illuminator. You can increase the brightness to end amount of extent, sir. So this is basically about the entire microscope system, sir, and I think this is going to be immensely helpful to you. It's a 4K camera, then a monitor, then a microscope, and I think this is going to solve your purpose completely. Do let me know in case you face any questions. We'll be very happy. We'll be immensely happy to help you out with that. Thank you.